Hi everyone! In the design of Nithon's high temperature and high pressure curing chamber, we understand that the valve sealing performance is critical to the stable operation. To this end, we have meticulously designed filters in all lengths of water inlet and outlet to comprehensively safeguard the safety and performance of the valves. At the water inlet of the chamber, we have configured a 40-micron inlet filter. This filtration device can effectively intercept impurities, particles, and suspended solids in the water, ensuring that the water entering the pipelines and chamber body is clean. At the front end of the high-pressure relief and pneumatic control pressure relief drain outlets, we have also installed high-pressure filters, which can effectively prevent impurities and cement particles from entering the valves, thus avoiding seal failure caused by foreign matter blockage or scratches. Through dual filtration protection, the valves always remain in optimal working condition, ensuring the safety and efficiency of the high-pressure curing process. Sino-Japanese joint venture Nithons Technology, a reliable partner in oilfield cementing area.